Hey guys, welcome back to the show. I'm at Nate's house. Good old Nate.
Hey buddy, I'm glad you're here.
The great hospitality. I appreciate you, kind
I try.
sir. Yes, I want to make something that if you don't have a whole lot of time, it's going to be delicious. We're going to do an Italian sausage gnocchi with peppers and onions.
Dang.
Woo! My
No
boy
chicken.
over there,
No
he was
chicken.
hollering at it. Okay, we're going to do it right over on the Blackstone Griddle, not right here on the open fire.
Why do you have it lit then?
This thing's pretty awesome. We just got done doing some big thick chops for Todd. But I need to stoke this fire a little bit, y'all.
You're just treating it like a campfire today.
I tell you what.
Feels like home.
This thing right here, it's a showstopper. You got people, you warm up, it's a little cold outside, a little nippy. You don't need a coat, you can just come out here and warm the fire. Warm your hands on this open fire.
You got your Florida winter coat on right now.
Yeah, it's my winter short sleeve shirt. This is gonna be some good groceries. It's gonna go fast. You can feed people in, I don't know, 10 minutes flat. I'm gonna try it. Let's go. That's some good groceries. All right guys, there's a few just little small elements you got to get ready for this. We got our onions and we got our peppers. Because I'm at Nate's house, I'm doing a trio of peppers. Makes it look bougie.
Do you find yourself always using sweet yellow onion?
I love a little sweet yellow onion. If I can get Vidalias are so sweet, but you can only get them so many months out of the year.
Right.
Onion, just simple, sweet yellow onion. And some people like to go this way. I like to go the exact opposite. I don't know about you, Nate. This is the way I roll. So listen, nice sharp knife is
a nice sharp
key.
knife.
Yeah, I can always count on you, Nate. Whenever I come here.
You had your pick of the litter, and that's the one you chose.
Pick of the litter, I want one where if I get a little crazy, I'm drawing back a nub right there, okay? I got insurance, okay? I got insurance. Pepper, this is the way I like to do my peppers.
Hit me.
Come around. That way you can make little strips. You see what I'm doing right there?
I do.
It just makes it nice.
What about all the pepper that you missed?
But look, this right there, well, I'm getting to that, Nate. You're getting a little ahead of yourself there, son. Just gonna rough chop these suckers right there. Now, if you really, Nate's a big waste. He's like, let's not do a lot of waste. We're gonna go back over. We're gonna skin the rest of this old boy over here, okay? Watch this, Nate. Just see this? See this?
Okay.
See this right
Worst
here?
not, won't not.
There we go. And I don't know how much you leave on there. You just tell me, friend. But look at that thing right there.
Hey, all right.
We skin her back, okay?
Clean.
Listen, we're gonna do the exact same thing to this yellow one and this red one. After that, we're going to the griddle. It's gonna be good. Got the griddle on about a medium heat right now, guys. We're gonna get this sausage on.
What kind of sausage are you using?
This is mild.
Spicy?
Mild Italian,
right.
okay? We're gonna get our sausage down. I wanna get a little bit of crust, a little bit. I wanna build some fond. That fond is that stuff that sticks to the griddle. That's flavor, friends. Take a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of grazza. This is gonna be for our peppers and onions.
All those peppers and onions?
I'm probably just gonna do a good little handful of
bare
this.
handful?
But I'm gonna tell you what, we got some cool things going on after this, and this is gonna wilt down. Coming in with Old Yeller, you can't, look.
Old Yeller?
Old Yeller. Old Yeller's a good old dog.
You're giving him a goat today, buddy.
Old Yeller. And listen, this right here is where it gets fun. We're just putting stuff onto the griddle, and we're making things happen. We're gonna let this sausage go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Gonna let the peppers get happy as well, and we're gonna come back to you. I like to leave that sausage down onto the griddle and get that crust. The crust is the must. Watch this, look at that.
It's like a big burger.
That is flavor, friends. We're gonna leave this one for another 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna flip it, then we're gonna chop it.
Then you chop it.
Then we chop it.
Okay.
It's gonna be a chop fest. Let's go. It is time to start chopping this sausage. And this is what I like to do. I just want to chop it and I want chunks. I don't want this to be lost, okay guys? You see this? That right there. We want these chunks. Chop it up. Just like that, and it's rendered some fat, some awesome fat. That's flavor, a little bit of fond. That's what we want. Move these over. Even the peppers and onions.
It smells so good.
Look at that right there. That is great. We're gonna turn our flame down a little bit. It's a little bit hot, but we're going to deglaze and we're gonna add our gnocchi, because our gnocchi needs to have a little bit of wetness to kind of bring it to life, okay?
Steam a little.
This is shelf-stable gnocchi. Now, you get this at all your supermarkets. And I think I might just need about a half of this. I don't want it. There we go. I'll come in with some beautiful white wine. That just brings all that fond to the top. Whoa, it starts to roast yet. And now we toss. Now we toss. Listen, this can feed a lot of people. We're filming, takes a little bit of time, but if you didn't have all this, I'm talking 10 minutes flat, honestly. No joke. Once that white wine is finished, we're gonna come in with, hey, listen, Betty would probably chop me right in the Adam's apple if she saw me like this. But you know what? She ain't here, okay? We're just gonna come in. This is our sauce, y'all.
Wow. All right.
It's got your flavor. There we go. And not only that, we're gonna come in with a little bit more of Herb. You know Herb, right, Nate?
Herb, Mr. Herb?
Tuscan. Mr. Tuscan Herb. First name Tuscan, last name Herb. We want this thing herby. Nice and herby. There we go.
Wow, that vinaigrette.
Kind of see how it's kind of reduced. You see that?
Yeah.
It's not as, look at that. What do you call that in the chef world? When you do your spoon like that, what is that called, Nate?
Nappe.
Nappe.
Wow.
Nappe. I know it, I just don't know it.
I forgot I remembered that word.
I'm impressed, actually. This right here will feed a ton of people, and it's cheap too. Not real expensive. Guys, I think we're good. Let's plate this up. Get you a nice scallop plate, okay? This right here, your neighbors are going to be so impressed.
Off camera, he was so proud of this plate because it was like chefy. What'd you call it?
Bougie?
Bougie.
I don't know.
Bougie.
There's no telling what I said.
It's not bougie.
But look at that.
Oh, come on now.
Is that not pretty?
It's a lot of sausage. I love it.
Woo! We're not done.
All right. I'm with
So
you.
this is our plate. We gotta zhuzh it up. Don't somebody say that on her? Oh,
Yeah,
Betty. A little bit of just a little brightness.
Little zhuzh.
Little brightness. Okay. Got a little Parmesan
Oh yeah.
right over the top, y'all. Now we getting crazy. All right. Now's when things hitting the floor. All right. We'll come in a little bit of parsley.
Little verde. Oh wait,
Verde.
that's Spanish.
That is Spanish.
What's green in Italian?
I don't know. It's probably about the same, right? Aren't they kind of similar? Right? A lot of
I don't
things.
know. I don't speak
All right.
Italian.
Watch this. Watch this.
Speak the most Italian.
This right here looks phenomenal.
Ethan speaks third most
There you
Italian.
go. Ethan. Does this not look
Italian
fantastic?
at all?
No?
Exactly.
Sometimes you say wee wee. That's French.
This looks gorgeous, Hussey.
Y'all, get a fork. Let's go. Guys, there's nothing more to do here but to try these groceries. But, you know, I like hospitality, Nate. I feel
Wait. Yeah, are you worried it's not gonna be good? Why are you making me try it first?
It's subjective. I don't know. But I feel like the homeowner
Is something
gets
wrong
first
with it?
dibs. Nah, no, it's good. It's good. It may have.
I got it.
It may have fallen on the floor. Let's give these groceries a try. Try to get a little bit of everything.
I love that
Oh,
you
no.
put so much sausage in it.
Yeah. I'm sausage king. That's what I am.
We talked about adding some sausage like wonton dumplings, open faced.
Yeah.
Triple the amount of stuffing. It's like equal amount of sausage to the pasta.
When in doubt, add more meat.
Ooh,
Okay,
I like it.
This is the way it is.
Yeah.
That gnocchi, that wine, it's a really good move. It gives it like a brightness to it. Yeah. The sausage, Italian sausage. If you want a little hotter, go with hot.
Yeah,
Italian.
go hot.
I was a little worried. We got a lot of people here. Want to feed everybody, but it's a slam dunk, and it feeds a lot of people, and it feeds them fast. So I suggest you try this as soon as possible, people. With that said, that's all I got for you. I appreciate you stopping in. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment. I love to interact with you. Hey, with that said, I'm Hungry Hussey. Got some good groceries.
You got a campfire still going too.
I gotta poke it. I poke this thing. Look at here. This is something men want to do. Poke the fire. Come on in it.